We'll continue with exercise 3.2, question number 3. Question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. Now, since we have to find the mode and the median, to find the mode, we need to arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So, let us first arrange. We have to find the mode and the median. To find the median, we have to arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So, let us arrange first the given data in some order. So, it will be 12, then 12, then 13, then 13, then 14, then again 14, then again 14, then again 16, then 19. Now, what will be the mode? Mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of time. So, if you can see that 12 is coming 2 times, 13 is coming 2 times, 14 is coming 3 times, and 16 is 1 times, and 19 is 1 times. Since 14 has the maximum number of frequency, that is, it is coming 3 times, so our mode will be 14. Now, second, we have to find the median. So it will be, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 observation, that is, number of observation are odd. So it will be 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So it will be 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2 will give you 5th observation. So let us see which is the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is 14. So it will be 14. Next question we have, tell whether the statements is true or false. Now the first part is the mode is always one of the number in a data. That is, mode is always a number, always one number of the number in the data. That is, कि मोड जो होता है वो हमेशा गिवन ऑब्जर्वेशन में से मिलता है. दैट इज ट्रू. हम मोड के लिए देखते हैं कौन सा नंबर की फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा है और वही नंबर हमारा मोड हो जाता है. Therefore, it is true that the mode is one of the number of the given data. So it is true. Now the second part is the mean is one of the numbers in a data. So it is not necessary that the mean is one of the number of the given data. It can be any number. Since we are finding the average, if we divide by some number, the given sum of the number for the given number, it is not necessarily that the divided number comes out to be a number from the given data. So it is not true, it is false. It is not always necessary. Now the third part is the median is always one of the number in a data. Now, yes, median is always one of the number in the given data, since first we arrange the number and we find the number. Now median is always one of the number of the given data. Whenever the number of observation is odd, then it is the middle observation which is the answer. So if the number of observation is odd, then it is true. And it is true if the number of observation is odd. If the number of observation is odd. The fourth part is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. Now to find the mean, we have to do the sum of observation upon number of observation. So mean will be 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus dash dash till 9, and we have to divide by the number of observation. Now how many observation are there? There are 8 observation. Now if you find the sum of all the observation comes out to be 64 upon 8, so it will give you 8. So the mean of the given data comes out to be 8, so the given statement is false.